Most people think you need to build your own AI software to make money with AI. The truth is, you can earn by helping local businesses use AI agents that already exist. Think about local businesses like dentists, gyms, salons, restaurants, and real estate agencies. Every day, they get the same questions from customers. What are your prices? Are you open today? How do I book an appointment? Answering these questions takes time. This is where AI agents become valuable. An AI agent can reply to customer messages, answer common questions, book appointments, collect leads, and provide support 24/7. That means business owners save time and miss fewer potential customers. So, how do you sell AI agents to local businesses? First, choose one niche. Instead of targeting every business, focus on one category, such as dentists, gyms, or real estate agents. This makes your offer much easier to understand. Next, identify a problem. Visit their website or social media pages. Look for slow response times, no online booking system, or unanswered customer questions. These are opportunities where AI can help. Then, create a simple demo. You don't need anything complicated. Build a basic AI assistant that solves one specific problem. When business owners see something working, they're much more interested. After that, reach out. Send a short message like, "Hi, I noticed your business receives customer inquiries regularly. I created an AI assistant that can answer questions and book appointments automatically. Would you be interested in a quick demo?" Keep it short and direct. The most important thing is to focus on results. Don't spend time explaining AI technology. Business owners care about getting more leads, booking more appointments, and saving time. So don't sell AI. Sell faster customer responses, sell more appointments, sell more revenue. That's what businesses actually want. Once you help one business get results, referrals become much easier. One client can lead to multiple new clients, helping you build a profitable AI service business without creating your own AI model. Right now, local businesses are looking for ways to work smarter. If you can help them solve real problems with AI agents, you're offering something they already need.